Okay, so it is quite easy commands. So guys, we'll go to the certain filter commands. But he started with a header, but I'm started with different things. Okay, we'll see. What is the use of cat command? For a read the file, right? For example, this is cat is a command is to read the file, right? So I'm going to read a file. So cat file3. Good. Two lines are there. Two lines are displaying. Cat anaconda. Cat anaconda. So how I got that name? Because of, I type ANA and press the tab button. I press the tab button, automatically it came. So like that it will come. Okay. So how it is works, like you can see data 1, data 2, data 3 is there, right? So sorry, D, see, D, press tab, D, press the tab, see, it is came. But it is not coming. I'm keep pressing the tab button, data 2, data 3 is there. So like that we will know it. Okay. Same goes. ABC, anaconda. Anaconda, AN. Now, unique characters. I'm getting this kind of stuff. Now, can you see it is a very big file? Look at this. Anaconda file is a very big file. Okay, this is a configuration file. This is much a big file it is there. So can you read easily that much, like a one line, single line? It is very difficult. So I am using less command, less anaconda. Okay, so what will happen? Look at this. So you can see this is the start of the line. If you want, it is a start of the line in the file. It is a file. It is a start of the line. This is another lines. Now I'm pressing the enter button. I'm pressing enter button. So I'm going down. I'm going down. Now I'm pressing the up arrow, down arrow, up arrow, down arrow. Also I'm pressing page up, page down. This is page up. I'm pressing page up. Now I'm pressing page down. So page by page I can able to display. So I can use up arrow, down arrow for line by line going, and I'm pressing enter for line by line going down, page up and page down for entire page up and down. And also I can use down like a space bar. Okay. So less is a command to read the file also. Not only a cat file, so less is the command also. We can use less and a command file name. Okay, then we can able to read the file. But if you see, once you read the file completed, you are not coming out of that one. How to come out? Press the Q. Press Q to come out from it. Again, less anaconda. See, look at here. So you can able to read line by line. I need to get some information. So what I'm doing, line by line, I'm searching where it is, like that. Okay, I'm searching for a information. I found it. I found here. Okay, I find some that is a development is there at the rate of development, or maybe this is our boot partition, right? Yeah, I found my boot partition completed. Press Q. I'm exit from the less. For example, I want to find that boot partition. Okay, colon slash slash boot related information. See, wherever the boot is there, that is highlighted. You can see boot, boot, boot. Okay, you can also go down. Here it is also boot. Wherever the boot is there, the boot is got highlighted. Okay, boot is got highlighted. You can tell me any other key I want to search. I am searching for network. Network is a keyword I want to search in this file. Slash type network. See network, 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 network. It is highlighted. You can go down. So then you can see where it is anything. So only one time it is repeated. Okay, guys, this is about your less. Less we can able to read file from top to bottom and bottom to top also. Top to bottom, bottom to top by using up arrow, down arrow, enter button and space bar, page up, page down. You can use, you can read it. And you want to search for a particular line. Very simple. Put a slash and put the keyword. So which one you are to do it. So I am searching for a graphical word. So it is showing the here graphical. Okay. So I install a graphical variant. So that is this is the root password. It is showing. Here also graphical is there. That is searching the pattern. So when you have a very big files, use the command is less command. So bigger than your screen fitting. So this is your screen, right? So from here to here, it is your screen. It is bigger than your screen. So then you can use the less command is more better than a cat command. More than a cat command. Next, more is another command. Less command is completed. Now we are going to more command. More is another command. Okay, guys, understand less command?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to more command. What is this more? We'll see. So you can see same thing as a less. From starting of the file, it displaying. I'm pressing the enter button like this, line by line. I'm going down. I'm using page up, page down, not working here. Up arrow, down arrow, also not working. So only enter button is working, and space bar is also working. Okay, yeah, page by page, space bar, line by line, enter. I'm going down. I can't come up means you can read it top to bottom, but you cannot go to bottom to top. In a more, you can go from top to bottom, but bottom to top, you can't go. Okay, so like this. Once you reach end of the line, once you reach the end of the line, look at here. Once you reach end of the text, end of the file, you'll exit automatically. I didn't exit, it automatically exited. So again, more, look at here. I'm going down, I'm reaching just end of the line. Once end of the line reaches, it exits from the text automatically. If in case you are in the middle of the thing and you got the information, so yeah, this is my information. I put a swap, it's a 4 GB, yes. Information, I got it. I want to quit here only. I don't want to wait for a end of the line. So Q, you can quit anytime. You can quit anytime. Okay, like this. Q for a quit in the middle also. Second, in a less we have a searching option is there. Same thing I'm going to search. network. I'm searching network word. Put a slash and network. So it is displaying network. See, you can see network. Okay. And still there is some more places network is there, then it is also showing. Otherwise it will exit. Will it get that total root file info? No. In my current location, in the root, I have this file. This is the configuration file, means you install operating system. So this is a KS file, kickstart file. KS means kickstart configuration file. What are the settings you've done? It is there. Whenever you want to install Linux operating system, it is not always you should go to each and every options. Simply you can configure a kickstart file, and when you are installing OS, you can use that kickstart file to install OS. That is again confusing. That file is simply a kickstart file, I said, right?
So it is only taking from only that file, sir. What Anaconda file?
Yeah, I'm using that file because it's a big file. I can use other files also, don't worry.
Ante if we like take like let's say you have selected two files like setup config and this config also.
Hmm.
Will it let's say it will have duplicate data, right?
No. I have this file already there. So I'm using it for our purpose. Otherwise, you can use different like this, different big files. This is another file. So which is we can easily understand and accessible. So like that, you can take any big file, non files. I know this file, that's why I'm using that one. Okay.
What happens like if something like duplicate data is present or something?
If you have a duplicate data or duplicate files, then you have to find it. If you have a file name and same file name is saved somewhere, if you have a duplicate data, no. So again, it will direct exactly a file contains a data and another file contains same data. It
Uh,
is sometimes we can't able to find. Okay, so and in Linux we can't say cannot. Okay, that there is maybe a command to find a duplicate comparison files. Okay, compare is also there. There is a command called a compare. You can compare this file to that file also. May I have any other files? XYZ. Compare command not found. Congratulations. So the compare kind of command is also there. You can compare between two files if it both are same or both are different, like that. We can compare it. EXPR also we can use to compare between two files. Okay. So both are same file or duplicate files. Okay. Other duplicate is there. That is a hard link type of duplicate is there. That is different. Where are we located? Yeah, I'm telling you about Anaconda, guys. Simply just you are installing operating system, right? You are installing operating Anaconda application. Because of that Anaconda application, a lot of people confuse between that Anaconda and this Anaconda. Anaconda is basically in Linux. In Linux, Anaconda is an installer, operating system installer. Anaconda is a OS installer. Linux is not made by one person. It's made up of community. So different type of things are added, like including VC command is not belongs to Red Hat or CentOS. Someone is developed a VC command like that. Okay. Anaconda is an installer. The KS means kickstart. KS means kickstart. Okay. So when you are installing Linux, you are giving each and every option like a language, keyboard, time zone, partition information, OS selection information, OS related means what are the applications should be installed, what are the applications should be installed, okay, partitions, application should be installed, network on or off conditions, right? Each and everything you are doing, and finally it is installed. Once OS is installed, in a post installation means after clicking reboot, it is asking some more questions. Okay, so if I put all these things, all the information into a file, what I will do, what are the options I am doing, same options I will put it in a file. This is a KS file, kickstart file, save with CFG. Okay, it's a kickstart file. I save the file. This is the file. In this file, all this configuration I am doing while I'm installing operating system, I put it in a file only. Then when I'm trying to install any OS, like when I'm installing Linux operating system, I use this file. I told, take this file and boot now. Boot with this file. So what happened? All options are given already in a file and So system won't ask you any questions. Which time zone you want it, how many partitions you want to do it, which user you want to create, which password you want to put for a root, which system name you want to put it, network enabled, not enabled, which application should be installed in your PC. It won't ask you anything. Boot the system, tell me where is the file, load the file, and it is installed automatically. So that is called a concept called a kickstart. The concept called a kickstart. Another concept is jump start. Another concept is unattended. Unattended name we use in a Windows. Kickstart name we use in Linux. Jumpstart we use in Unix. Okay, so names are different, concept is same. Guys, understand concept? When you are installing operating system, we given options. OOBE, out of box experience. OOBE, out of box experience. This out of box experience means time zone, keyboard, language, license acceptance, disk partitioning, OS and package selections, installation, after installation, creation of user password, joining to the domain if it is Windows, okay, if it is a Windows, like that. So these are the things we do, right? So instead of manually doing one by one, we put everything into the file. We put everything in the file. In a Windows, it is XML file. In KS, it's a CFG file. Okay, like we put everything in a file. While you're installing operating system, we told this, use this file to install. Use this file, load this file first, and do the installation process. So automatically, OS don't ask you the questions, it will install automatically. So this concept we call it as unattended installation in Windows operating system, kickstart installation in Linux operating system, jumpstart installation in Unix operating system. What is OOBE? Out of box experience. Okay. So that is that Anaconda KS.CFC. Completely mind gone from where to where I went. So if you look at this file, so I put ls anaconda.cfg. So complete, what are the selections? Language English, network, you can see network, host name I given. What are I given when I'm installing operating system? First it is created a file first, then it is installed. Okay, including, see, boot partitions also, it is first it is marked, then only it is installed. Packages, what are the packages I selected? So all the packages list. So virtualization client, do you remember? System admin tools, virtualization client, hypervisor tools. X11 means X11 X11, X Windows, X System, guys. These three names are almost same. It is like a GUI mode of Linux. It represents GUI mode of Linux. Okay. Dump enable policies, password policy can understand. Okay. So that is Anaconda KS file. Anaconda in a Linux, Anaconda means installer. KS means kickstart configuration file. Is a .cfg file, configuration file. Okay. Yeah, less is a good options. So I am telling the less also use it to read file from top to bottom and bottom to top. Okay, and you can search pattern, the key pattern or a key, you can search it. And the next one is want to quit, Q is a button. Less having more options, guys. More having less option. It is also to read the file from top to bottom. That's it. You can use search using a pattern or a key. Okay, in two ways. One is you can use a queue or reach end of file, so you can automatically quit. Less and more. You can use different things. /etc/passwd is the best option. More /etc/passwd. Okay, so these are the easiest way. I am using Anaconda, and also you can use /etc/passwd. Okay, start off the line, then it will go like this. And once I reach, you can go up, you can go down. You can search for a pattern also. Okay, /post fix. I want to search. See, post fix word is there. Okay, this is less. What is more? /etc/passwd. Okay. See, if you reach the bottom, automatically it exists. Okay. If you want to search for a pattern like slash, post fix. See, once it is searched, post fix, once search is completed. So this is a line. You have to look at the line, not even a highlighted. Okay, you have to look at the line. It is existed because it's almost reached the bottom. So it is displayed the above line and below line, and it exit automatically. Okay, this is about less and more. Oh, unnecessarily, yeah, we taken it. Okay, no problem. KS. If you are interested, try to find out what KS. Unattended. As I said, like it's a Windows concept, Unix concept, Linux concept. Find out these things. Okay. Like that. Okay. It is very useful in the future. Not much future. Very short term only. This is very useful. Okay, guys, that is less and more. So 2-3 things are there. I will tell and I will close. Okay. So next one is head, tail, WC. Next one is 5. Okay. Head displays first lines. Okay. And first 10 lines by default. By default, how many? First 10 lines only it will display. Okay. Head, tail, kind of stuff. Okay. Why? Next one is tail. So here it is a tail. Next is a tail. Display last lines. By default, last 10 lines. Last 10 lines. The WC is a word count. So that is a different concept actually. So you can't include the word WC here. Okay. Because it's in a lines manner. So we use a WC also. Okay. Word count. The meaning is word count. It counts in the pattern of line, number of words, and byte count or a character count. Character or a byte it will show. Bit or byte. So byte on byte. Okay. So these are the 3 commands. First one is head. You can use /etc/password file for this exercise, or you can use, if in case Anaconda is available, you can go for Anaconda also. Guys, head /etc/passwd. With that, any confusion, passwd, no, not at all confusion, because it's a 10 lines separately. Everything is line by line, no different patterns and all. These are the first 10 lines. If I want to see first 5 lines, use the option called 5-5. Now it is 5 lines only. You can see 5 lines. Look at here. This is the first 10 lines. It will display head -5 /etc/ first 5 lines. First, the question is, I want to see first 15 lines. What is the answer? I want to see first 5 lines. Now tell me. I want to see first 15 lines. Anyone? First 15 lines. Minus
15.
Okay. So first 15 lines. Minus 15. See, these are the 15 lines. This is the command. Is a little earlier. See, this is the command. This is the total 15 lines. First 15 lines. Okay. First 15 lines. Next, the question is, I want to display first 10 lines. Tell me. First 10 lines.
-10.
Yeah.
Minus 10. It means no one is listening. Completely mood off. Yeah, by default it is 10, right? Why you need an option? By default it is 10. When I'm asking question, that's why that time you got oh, okay. Something is there. 55 means 5 lines, 15 means 15 lines. Yeah, 10 means 10 lines only. Mind out, completely outside. Very good. No problem. So you got in the part, okay. So by default, it is first 10 lines. By default, first 10 lines. If you don't give any option, first 10 lines only. If you give option, then those lines. Okay. The next one is tail. The tail /etc/passwd. Tail is a command. It shows last lines. By default, last 10 lines. By default, last 10 lines. So it is showing last line 10 lines of this file. In this file, lot of lines are there. These are the last 10 lines. Same as a head first lines, tail last lines. You want to see last 5 lines. This is the command. Last 5 lines. Last 5 lines. Okay. So what is the command for last 15 lines or 12 lines? Last 12 lines. Last 12 lines. Very good. Hyphen 12. So it will show last 12 lines. So this is a tail. So tail /etc/passwd, same file only. So last 10 lines by default it will be there. Next, tail /etc/passwd -5. Last 5 lines. Because I'm writing, so I'm doing like this. But question is always reverse, guys. How to display last 15 lines? That is the question. This is an answer. So any place, any interview or anything regarding the line X or any command related, first is how to do it, which command you use it for this purpose is there. So usually they don't tell this is the command, tell me what is the use of it. But so compulsory you must go for it. Okay. So this is the thing. I want to see a last line only. I want to see last line only. So what is the command? Only last line.
Last. Okay.
Last line means last one line, right? It's last one line. So I said last line. Okay, last one line. Last line or a last one line. That is the last line in the file. Okay. -1. -1. This is tail. Okay. So last line or a last one line. Tail. So what are the things we discuss? Head, tail, sorry, less, more, head, tail, WC. WC is there now, so we'll go to WC also. WC means word count. So you want to count in our file how many lines are there, how many words are there, how many characters or bytes are there. So this is the thing. Okay, 47 lines, 103 words, 2585 characters are bytes are there. Character and byte both are equal here in the output. Okay, WC word count and /etc/passwd in this file, in a passwd file, there is a 47 lines. Yeah, it's 103 words, 2585 characters are there. So it means 47 lines, 103 words. So many words are there. Some certain words are next to one another one. So obviously word count will be less. Character or a byte kind of stuff. Both values same here. Guys, options also available. If I want to see only lines, -L. Okay. If I want to see only words, number of words. I want to see number of character or a number of byte things like this. Okay. Not only this, there is some other things also, options also there. No need to go for that. See, it is still not working. So -L /etc/passwd. Okay. -w wc -c/etc/passwd. What does -L represent? Number of lines. The W represent number of words. -C actually represent number of bytes, but I am writing characters. So why there is a confusion. So I will show you. Help. So C means byte. -M means characters. L means lines. W means words. See, that's the difference. Byte counts. Counting number of bytes. So if you put a -M, same only. M and C, same only. Print the byte count. This is printing byte count. This is nothing. Okay. Guys, this is WC, word count. Same, I'm using word count on Anaconda. See, 77 lines, 185 words, 2252 bytes are characters. DU-H, Anaconda case. It is showing in that way, but I'm using -B. See, the size of the file. DU is the command to use for a size on the disk. Okay. So DU space -H, DU space -K, DU space -B, like that it will be there. It is human readable format. Okay, in kilobytes, in a bytes, kilobytes. This is bytes. -M megabytes, like that is there. It is. It will show us output in MBs, GBs, KBs, like that. This is only kilobytes, only megabytes. If you look at this one, same byte size it is showing. -B. DU space -B /etc/passwd. So size of the passwd file is 2585 bytes. Okay. Size of your file 3, 40 bytes. 40 bytes. Yes, I covered a du command also. Okay, I covered a du command also. So what I want to do is, there is a few more commands are very important commands. One is very important: pipe, sort, grep, cut, paste, translate, t. These are one of the easy commands and very, I'm not saying very important, not important kind of stuff. Very quickly you can able to do that one. Very easily you can able to do that one. But I'm not doing that one now. Guys, what are the commands we since morning we practice, we done. If you want it, I already forward the PPT. Already I told which PPT, new build, Linux new build. Okay, there those commands are there. Sort command is there, paste command is there, cut is there. So you can try it. Okay, T is also there, pipe is there. Okay, so these are all very easy command. Grep is specifically we have to concentrate on grep. If you want, I can show you now also, no problem. If you have energy, no. It is 7 o'clock. No. Okay, this is tomorrow. Not only this, there are a lot of things tomorrow is there. Okay, so we'll see. Yeah, last one, guys. Last one means how to power off. Type power off. Okay, because we are in a root, directly you can type power off to shut down the machine. Why it is not powering off? Not understanding command. Or it got freezed. Yeah, it will be whatever it is happens. First of all, I want to stop the recording. And most of the people are already